Don't be subjective with small stains, use scrubbing regularly without cleaning. Not only is it unsightly, it's also dangerous for the elderly and children. Just one slip can cause trouble for the whole family. The rainy season comes, streams grow very quickly, brick yards, cement yards, steps are all slippery like grease. Stainless steel broom, super hard steel bristles, comfort a clean life, long handle, not necessary. Pain relief support, clean yard, safe walking, gentle but effective.